Hello, this is Eric with Main Group, and for today's video I have 3 SharePoint travel tips you can utilize while on the go. Here are the 3 tips we're going to cover today. First, we're going to show you how you can check in and check out documents. Second, we're going to show you can access SharePoint documents while offline. And third, I'm going to show you how to export SharePoint lists onto Excel. So let's start with the first one, check in and check out. So here I am in my sales and marketing site, and I'm looking at my documents, document library. And the check-in, check-out feature, what it does is it ensures that no other users can modify this item while I have it checked out. Let me show you what that looks like. So I want to work on this branding elements PowerPoint, and I want to just make sure that no one else is going to be working on it at the same time as I am. So what you can do is click on the check mark, click on the ellipses on the toolbar, select the checkout feature. Now you'll see that there's a red icon right next to the modified column. What this means is the other users, if they try to click on this document right now, they will not be able to edit it. Only I can edit it because I checked it out. Think of it as a basic library system. You check out a book, no one else can check it out because it's in your hands. It's only you. Once you check it back in, someone else could take it. So let's say I want to work on this on my own, and I don't want anyone to come modify or override any changes. I can use the checkout feature. Once I'm done, same thing, you can just click on the check mark and do the check-in. Leave a comment of why you checked it out, but that's optional. I'm just going to check it in. Now that I checked it in, you see the icon is gone, and now other users can come and edit it as well. You might be asking yourself, how is that helpful? Well, let me show you. This paired up with the documents offline feature is going to make one great travel tip. So let me show you how you can utilize the SharePoint documents offline. To access SharePoint documents offline, you have to use the sync feature right here at the top of the toolbar. I do have a full-length video on how to get this set up. But essentially, what the sync button does is it allows you to access your SharePoint documents through your File Explorer. You can see I have my File Explorer here, and I'm looking at the same document library that is on SharePoint, but I'm looking at the File Explorer. And if you enable the right settings, you can set it up so that it automatically syncs any changes on the SharePoint site will also sync with your PC. This means if you go offline, you can still access your documents. You'll always have the latest draft. Let's say you're going to go on a flight and you have a 2-hour flight. You want to work on this branding documents PowerPoint. What you can do is, hey, I'm going to check out this item because I'm going to work on it while offline. This will ensure that while you're offline, no one else can edit this item. Then you can go in your File Explorer, edit it from here, and you can make any changes, being sure that no one else will be modifying this while you're offline. Let's say your flight is over now. You're like, hey, I worked on this for 2 hours. You can check it back in and ensure the integrity of the document. And that's how you can utilize the check-in and check-out feature with the documents offline. So third tip, we're going to talk about how you can export SharePoint lists to Excel. Here I have a SharePoint list, and very easily I can use the export to Excel feature. It's going to download a query. You can open that up. And now I can access my SharePoint data on Excel. And you can utilize this while you're offline in order to create reports, play with the numbers, and develop insights. And those are the 3 SharePoint travel tips I have to share with you guys today. Feel free to check out the links down in the description below. I hope you learned something new. Thank you.